maayong buntag tanan-tanan. Ang muhalad sa mga pasmahanong awit karon, mao ang atong mga kaigsuonan, gikan sa BEC Barangay Luma ug BEC Barangay Kalayugan. Ato silang sugaton sa masipang pa. Daghan kaayong salamat sa atong mga kaigsuonan nga gikan sa BEC Barangay 5 ug BEC Barangay Kalaigan nga mihalad sa ilang pasmungan awit karon buntag. Gipahibalo nga adunay nga maligya ug ready-packed offerings diha sa entrance sa atong simbahan. Ang inyong mga offerings sama sa bugas, noodles, o canned goods, o uban pa, atong ihatag sa atong kaigsuonan nga mga masakiton ug nagkinahanglan dito. Gipahibalo usab nga bukas ang CSPRG Nation ug alam sa mga anaa diha sa lawas, pwede ka mo nga moagi sa may kilid nga pultahan sa atong simbahan. Mass intentions. Thanksgiving Mass for all the graces and blessings received, offered by St. Paul University Dumaguete, Mr. and Mrs. Charlie Hugo and family, Mr. and Mrs. Julian Ligit and family, Peter Jano Barco and family, Ranimundo Alera Rasnia and family, Rose Gabri, D.V. Sarding and family, Leonie Ferrer and Leonel Satuan, Rita and Ronald Villegas, Josephine Villalon and family, Claren Araneta and family, Ben, Juvie and Bridget Tindugan, Emma Altanan and family, Vicky Sanoy and family, Rene Barwado, Mario Densi Barwado and family, Rodriga Villa and family, Clementina Irato and family, Maribel Villalon and family, Bertila Altanal and family, Marcos Eugenia Obarco and family, Tiny Marilyn Suasin and family, Cordia Tubo and family, Mona Mel Valenzuela, Don Don Tomas and family, Mr. and Mrs. Kent Paragas, Nardo Inday Onesiman and family, Alex Angani Laguras, Pasinabo and Irato families, Leopoldo Aniana Zamora and family, Etul Punto, Boy and Nonong Ras, Roland and Wendy Marquez, Joseph Mila Laguras and family, Alan Ramos, Lolo Daboy and family, Lilay Gilelondo and family, Fernando Anliza Caria, Marichu Indo and family, Magdaleno Magpula and family, Policarpa Capon, Hill Oding family, Kimberly Limpahan, Jimmy Odeng Apiniante, Eduardo Viente and family, DB Imprinta Printing Press, Flor Bangkirigo and family, Glenn Tindugan and family, Silvano Lagook and family, Arlene and Angel Flying Inky, Edwin Villeroy and family, Betty de la Cruz and family, Alan and Julie Galnar, Junjung Nene Init and family, Pablio Jr. and Mercy Dagway, John Bert Yvonne Araza and family, Joven Melon and family, Cisoy Miguel Olesiman and Soyker Bookstore, Brian Cordelia Iso and family, Antonia Dabuok and family, Amador Joy Melon and family, Rina Obarco and family, Emily Leonard Tampa and Hadlock, Limpahan and Tanyang families, Karen Joy Tanlak and Corsino family, Manolo Imbo and family, Antonio Aileen Mabili and family, Jovelyn Sistoso and family, Andy Otolera, Stischer family, Rito Gloria Olesiman and family, Rhea Diorc Albino and family, Ringo Regan Olesiman and family, Regine Rehana Olesiman and family, Pablio Jr. and Mercy Dagway, Rodolfo Apenas and family, Mr. and Mrs. Romnick Bantuto and family, Nestorio Montesor and family, Mr. and Mrs. Frederick Montesor and family, Edelberta Olesiman and family, LGU Valencia accounting personnel, Emily Catalan and family, Zenaida Carino and family, Ronaldo Galigasa and Gemma Svenga, Julie Lani Bambu and family, John Darling Eileen Tupog and family, Virgilio Jr., Leslie Anki and family, Gas Care, LPG Training, Lino Alom and family, Mr. and Mrs. Noli Ubag and family, Raymond Christopher Fatima Gaboy and family, Mavin Bigoy and family, BC Vickers, Patrimonio family, Andrew and Hermes Awil, Martina Lastimoso Grafe family, John Mark Angales and family, Gina Academia and family. Thanksgiving Mass in honor of Senor Santo Niño, inahan sa Kanunay Panamang, Sacred Heart of Jesus, Mama Mary, Holy Family, San Vicente Ferrer and all saints offered by Delfino family, David Homer Somande, Tata and Dodo Bertolero, Maricon Tilugan, Fe and Jovi Pugalan. Thanksgiving Mass in honor of the Holy Spirit, Our Lady of the Abandon, and Virgen sa Fatima, for the birthday of Nielsen Parawato, Juliet Lerazan, Ronaldo Baligasa, Gemma Svenard, Linia Faith Daboy, Lourdes Preston, Justin Dave Preston, Urfel Yunto, Maria Rosana Lastimoso, Rosalie Cristal Panda. Thanksgiving Mass for the wedding anniversaries of Manolo and Jeanette Imbo, Paul and Cristina de Pantayos, Toto and Yvonne Corteza, Felix and Lily Melon. Thanksgiving Mass for passing the board exam offered by Cyrene Diodoco. Thanksgiving Mass for the good health of Aris J. Tubo. Prayer for the spiritual guidance, reconciliation, and conversion of Suriname Leone. Special intentions for Weaving Winfroy. Prayers for the souls of Isidra, Dioscoro Sinuan, Carla, Osos, Herminia, Ernesto, Prospera, Heriberto, Marieta, Restituto, Fortunata, Angelita, Bibi Angel, Oliva, Mercedes, Julia, Casiano, Marquil, Dominador Jr., Krista, Lerolo, Angel, Tarcela, Ricardo, Severina, Emilio Sr., Aurora, Clyde Sr., Mariano, Elizabeth, Serviliano, Remedios, Noel, Flora, Apolinario, Severina, Engracia, Romer, Florencio, Erenea, Florencia, Nesifora, Anastasia, Fernando, Concepcion, Jesus, Cirila, Vicente Sr., Julia, Alberto, Ambrosio, Cristino Sr., Santiago, Lucifer, Lino, Divina, Conrado, Composa, Gilberto, Antonina, Candida, Dominga, Plasenciano, Giza, Erlinda, Arthur, Herminia, Pascual, Eugenio, Roderica, Celerino Jr., Leonarda, Sister Maria Leonard, Diego, Rizalino, Alejandra, Patricio, Pastora, Arnold Jr., Angeles, Antonia, Marcia, Josefa, Teotico, Licelia, Rufino, Galiosa, Sinanda, Teodomera, Ezequiela, Jover, Filomena, Concordia, Nicolas, Fabian, Paulino, Exoperancio, Jovita, Hervacia, Leonida, Resiliana, Ernesto, Pacomio, Barcelito, Polito, Sixto, Basilia, Albina, Ardiano, Liberata, Melchor, Damaso, Canumba, Teotico, Gliceria, Rufino, Galiosa, Sinanda, Maria, Santiago, tanang mga kalag sa Pondalo.